Today we will cover, actually tomorrow we will cover two roundtables in these 2 days of our innovation forum, which we are going to be addressing the big pandemic issue that is suffering worldwide regarding the non-communicable diseases. So as we know, the communicable diseases affect more than 1 billion people worldwide, and the discussions we are going to be talking regarding the ways to reduce this global pandemic. One way is really to work towards not only having healthy diets and making exercise that everybody is aware of, but also the importance of the microbiome and also the importance of the genetic aspects of each individual. And therefore we are shifting more from a healthy nutrition towards a more personalized nutrition to be able to get a greater impact in this sense. Because not everybody responds to the food in the same way. On another aspect as well, it's very important that we drive and we guide the consumers and the whole population, and therefore it's important to develop very clear nutritional guidelines that the people are able to follow and to be able to have a greater way to have a healthier lifestyle. On top of course, we're going to discuss regarding the importance of having local government policies that are helping addressing healthier diets. Yeah, the future of food is really going to be really moving towards a much more sustainable food production, because as we know, in 2050 we are going to have more than the population is going to increase of more than 2 billion, and therefore that means that the way that we are producing food today is not sustainable long term, and it's not going to be enough food for everyone. So the way that we're going to have a shift in the production, so we need to find new sources of proteins, and for example we're going to have more vegetarian meat, more insect proteins. We're going to go towards as well use of algae, so other types of sources that are more sustainable and a long term. Also because we know that the meat production has a very high land use and also water use, and therefore also it's not the more sustainable, and therefore in long term is not we are not going to be able to sustain. So from another point of view, then we are going to have also other aspects. For example, in the future, there is also what we call biohacking. So we're going to go even beyond that, not only talking about the more sustainable, that are more efficient diets, but also on going a little bit beyond that. That is what we call now biohacking. Well, I think that after these very difficult 2 years that we have faced and not having such events in person, I think that now that we have all the very well established measurements of safety and security, I think it's the time to return, and everything is going very smoothly today, and I think this is the moment that we can come back slowly to our normal life as we used to be before, especially now when the vaccination is going to be already applied for everyone. So I think it's a very comfortable and I think it's a good moment to have this transition back to the normality again.